Hi, it's Jose here with a quick video to show you how to optimize your WordPress database using a plugin that I love. I've been using for years. It's my go-to plugin when it comes to optimizing my WordPress database. And yeah, let me show you how that works. So I'm in my test website. I'm going to go to plugins and add new. And that's going to take me to the magical screen. And here I'm going to type in the name of the plugin, which is wp-dbmanager. And that's what it looks like. It's a very distinctive image. So let's click on that. Let's install it. And let's activate it. Now this will enable you to also back up your database and have it emailed to you on a daily basis if you like as a backup. So here you can see the icon on the left hand side. If I go to database, it will first show you a snapshot of your database. And you can use the backup DB and the manage backups DB to actually set up an automated SQL backup, which is a dump of your database, and have it emailed, like I said to you, or have it sent to Dropbox or put somewhere by FTP. It's great. But this tutorial is about optimizing. So let's click on Optimize DB because that's what we're here to do. Now, if for some reason you didn't want to optimize a particular table, you could always choose no. It's going to show you every single table in your database. And at the very bottom, there's an optimize button. You click on that and let it do its work. And that's it. You can also click on the repair DB. And if there's an issue with any of the tables, you can always come to this screen and select the right table and click repair. So that's how easy it is to optimize your database. You can explore the other options. There's a few things you can do, but this is all you need to do to optimize your WordPress database.